Many of you might recall the recent buzz about a significant event in Balasore district of Odisha. A region spanning 35 kilometers was evacuated by the government, impacting around 20,000 people. But why? Because DRDO was preparing for a crucial test that could potentially save millions of lives in the future. The government ensured that no civilian casualties would occur by temporarily relocating these residents. This precaution was taken because the test involved launching a target that would mimic a ballistic missile. If any debris or missile fragments fell during the test, it could have harmed innocent people. So, what exactly happened? DRDO tested Phase 2 of India's Ballistic Missile Defense (BMD) system. They launched a target that behaved like a ballistic missile. To understand the importance of this test, let's briefly discuss how ballistic missiles work. Ballistic missiles travel high into the atmosphere and then descend sharply towards their target. They follow a parabolic path. Imagine if this missile were heading towards India. The goal of our BMD system is to destroy such a missile in mid-air before it can cause any damage. In this test, DRDO successfully intercepted and destroyed the target missile high in the sky. This test is a significant step towards developing a robust defense shield for our country. Currently, countries like the USA, Russia, China, and even Israel have their own missile defense systems. Unfortunately, India is still in the testing phase. Despite this, our progress is commendable. Once fully operational, our BMD system will form the first line of defense against any missile threat. You might wonder, if we already have the S-400 missile defense system from Russia, why do we need our own BMD system? The S-400 is a fantastic system, but it's our second line of defense. The BMD system, once deployed, will intercept threats much earlier in their trajectory, providing an additional layer of protection. Our BMD system consists of two layers: the Prithvi Air Defense (PAD) and the Advanced Air Defense (AD). This recent test was part of Phase 2, focusing on AD. Successfully testing these systems means we are closer to having a multi-layered defense shield. Achieving this has not been easy. Post the Kargil War in 1999, India sought to purchase a missile defense system from Israel, but the deal was vetoed by the USA. This setback spurred India to develop its own technology, and today, we are reaping the benefits of that decision. India's journey to self-reliance in defense technology is a testament to our scientists' dedication and hard work. This recent test is a milestone in ensuring the safety and security of our nation. If this becomes successful, then it will be the first line of defense. S-400 will be the second line of defense system. Akash is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile (SAM) system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO), which can target aircraft up to 45 kilometers (28 mi) away. So this is the last line of defense system. If this is achieved, India will have multi-layered defense system.